Actor Ahan Shetty will soon be making his Bollywood debut opposite Tara Sutaria in Tadap, which has been produced by Sajid Nadiawala. The duo are leaving no stones unturned to promote the film. In his debut film, Ahan is essaying a double role. Recently, during a promotional interview, when Ahan was asked how challenging it was for him to essay a double role in his debut film, he said,
It definitely was challenging क्योंकि हम लोग actually when we were shooting in Missouri, one day we would shoot one ishara and the next day, shoot the other ishara. So to switch between the two was a little challenging. But when you have such a fantastic star cast around you like Tara, Kumud Mishra, Saurabh Shukla, they really help. Their performances helped enhance my performance. So I'm very thankful to be working with such an incredible cast and also having Milan sir direct us, an award-winning, national award-winning director. That I think not only in terms of my performance, but I feel like everyone else's performance helped me.
Actress Tara Sutaria was also present at the interview. When Tara was asked how the character of Ramisa was different from the other characters played by her on screen, she said,
बहुत ही अलग है इवन टू माई रियल लाइफ पर्सनैलिटी लेकिन हमने वर्कशॉप्स किए बहुत रिहर्सल्स किए स्क्रिप्ट के साथ नहीं बट जस्ट जनरल रिहर्सल्स आई थिंक टू गेट टू नो ईच अदर जो कंफर्ट लेवल आप देख रहे हैं शायद ट्रेलर में और जो आप फिल्म में भी देखेंगे इज़ ऑल थैंक्स टू द रिहर्सल्स एंड थैंक्स टू जस्ट गेटिंग टू नो वन एंड अदर विच वाज आई थिंक मिलन सर्स आइडिया जो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है दैट वी गॉट टू डू दैट तो प्रेपरेशन वाइज इट वाज मोस्टली दैट एंड ऑफ कोर्स हम दोनों ने RX100 देखी है सो दैट्स ऑलवेज बिहाइंड समवेयर देयर एज द इंस्पिरेशन फॉर दैट.
Ahan and Tara also shared how they were offered the film.
So it's actually very funny. जब RX100 रिलीज हुई थी, I think it released in July 2018. मैं साजिद सर का ऑफिस गया था in August और साजिद सर कह रहे थे कि अरे ये पिक्चर आई है, the actor looks just like you. Just watch the film. I said okay, cool. So I went home, I watched the film, and then 3 months later, he asked me, "Did you watch that film, RX100?" I said, "Yeah. So of course I did." He's like, "How did you like it?" I said, "I really loved it." And he's like, "What do you think about making the official remake of it?" So I was very excited. So that's how that fell into place for me.
एक ब्रांड शूट फिल्मिंग कर रही थी चेन्नई में और जब मैं वापस मुंबई आई थी मैं एयरपोर्ट से सीधा NG के ऑफिस में गई और वहाँ मैं आहान और मिलन सर से पहली बार मेरी मुलाकात हुई और we were actually doing a reading of the Dirty Picture का इस फिल्म में there's a scene that Milan sir had given us to just read together and Milan sir was shooting it at the same time and I think Sajid sir ने उसको देखकर I think he was very happy and so was Milan sir and then he called me and then they offered me Tarak.
Ahan is the son of Bollywood actor Sunil Shetty. When Ahan was asked, did his dad share any acting tips with him, he said,
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. In terms of acting and stuff like that, he's never given me any tips. He always says, do whatever you want to do. And in terms of life and stuff, बहुत advice देते रहते हैं.
Asked question on comparison with his father, Ahan said,
"Of course, there's pressure, but who doesn't want to be compared to his father? Every son wants to be like his father, and if I even earn 20% of the respect and love that he's received, I'd feel like I've been successful in this industry."
Tadap is an official Hindi remake of the Telugu blockbuster RX100 and will be the first big canvas romantic drama to be released in theatres. Presented and co-produced by Fox Star Studios, Nadiawala Grandson Entertainment Production, Tadap is all set to roll out in cinemas on December 3rd.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.